Hey. Welcome back to my video, guys. How you guys doing? I know it's been a long time since I came back, but I'm here and I'm about to do my hair. I'm going on a trip, you guys, a girls trip, and I will be vlogging so y'all can see. And yes, and I'm gonna be back with the fire content. So let me do my hair, y'all. I'm looking behind me. All I did for my trip, I already got my nails done. This is what they're looking like, what they're giving. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so here I'm just doing my hair. These are old braids. I was like, I just needed to just lay these edges back so I can slay this hair. I think this hair came out really good. It was perfect for vacation, and yeah, I felt like a baddie, period. And right here, y'all, like, I was kind of struggling with the wig cap. Like, I don't know. I tried a different glue. I guess it didn't want to lay as good, but it still turned out pretty good. Here you just see me gluing my hair down really quickly. You know, nothing too crazy. Just trying to make sure it lasts because I knew I was going to be getting wet. And yeah. Okay, y'all, as you can see, I am in love with this hair. Like, look at it. Fire. Like, it was giving vacation. It was giving the girls looks. It's like, talk to me nicely. Okay, period. Like, I love this, y'all. Like, it's everything. And yes, your girl did that.
About this Airbus 320 aircraft we provided to you. Please pay close attention to that important briefing. Please remember that your flight attendants act as my representatives in the cabin. Refusal to follow flight instructions is a violation of federal law. In addition to following the crew members.
Okay, welcome back to the vlog. I don't know if y'all can hear me. So we are on a flight. We have a connecting flight to our destination. So stay tuned. Yes, and got my juices. Period. And yeah, enjoy this footage. Okay, y'all, so this is our place we're gonna be staying in. This is the front door. Super cute. And this is the foyer when you first walk in. See this. And then you come here, and it's a half bathroom. It's a cute little half bath. That's me. And then we have a garage. And this locked. This is so cute, y'all. Then you come here and you have the living room, huge. There's Hannah. Huge kitchen like this. So I'll give y'all a little bit of that. Oh, that's so cute, y'all. So this is the little dining room. You know, and I love all the mirrors everywhere.
Yeah, it's so many mirrors.
So this is the patio. It's super cute. Y'all can't see. Whether y'all can, there's a grill. I'm not gonna go out there yet. There's a pool back here. Very nice. This goes all the way open here. And then it's the upstairs. I'll show you. I just had the Casamigos. I'm stuck. Can't even move.
I can't move.
Can't even. Hannah.
Stuck.
Up and it's stuck. It's up and it's stuck. Period. So what's up, y'all? It's the next morning and we are about to go to the beach. This is like my little beach attire. You'll see all of us. We all have like some shade of blue. So that was what the plan was, and we're just waiting on Crystal and Katie. Yeah. And then I didn't even finish recording the upstairs tour, but hopefully we gotta clean up first. I know I gotta clean up. So this is the look that we're giving today. We're giving beach, you know, baddie a little, you know. Yeah, we have Hannah. Say hey, Hannah. Hey. You know, with the blue period. We have my girl Mariah. Let's go ahead and give y'all some looks from my girl Mariah. Period, okay? There's nothing said. I ain't know, you are short compared to me. Like, girl. All right, y'all. So we'll see y'all when we get to the beach. Okay, y'all. So we just getting something to eat. Shay's bag. My earring. I gotta get a bag for my earring. My other one. Okay. I'm gonna open my Good Fortune cookie. Let's see. See what it's in Okay. Okay. You are going to have a very comfortable life. Panda Express. All right. Please don't get too comfortable. And I get too comfortable. All right, Panda Express. A very comfortable life. As needed, okay? All right, let's see what yours say, Hannah. I'm eating. Okay. Oh, you got it. Okay, so we have made it to the beach. We have the girls, the gang in this bitch. Gang. We got Crystal, Katie. I don't know if y'all can see Katie. Oh, there you are. Y'all get a vlog? Period. Y'all get a thumbnail. Oh yes, I want to get up group pictures with our blue. Okay, Hannah, we got Hannah in the cut, and yeah, we just vibing, y'all. Like, well needed. We got Crystal and them out there somewhere, but it's well needed. So we are at City Walk. So nice. Yes. Okay, y'all. So we mobbing. We are mobbing. Me and my good sis Hannah. We are mobbing, and we're trying to find something to eat. And yes, trying to find something to eat, y'all. So hopefully we find something, because every place have been literally sold out. So they're booked and busy. We getting escorted out of SeaWorld, y'all, because everything is closed, y'all, at SeaWorld. Like, we couldn't ride no rides. They didn't have no dining open. So we was like, let's get our money back, because we're gonna do that. Like, it's been crazy, y'all.
But we're gonna try to make the best of it.
Yes, it's Sunday fun day.
Yeah.
Period.
It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock.
Yes.
So maybe like
We get a mimosa.
Yeah.
Yes. Getting escorted out, y'all. Park exit. Literally, they had to make sure we walking us to the gate, baby. We are getting kicked. All right, all right. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. All right, just like that, we out. So good morning, y'all. A few days has passed and so much crazy stuff has happened. I just woke up, about to wet my hair, freshen my hair up, go get some breakfast. We are actually like, our flight was canceled. We had to get a hotel. It has been a lot, but I'm so happy because today I'm finally gonna make it home to my kids. Lord, this has been like a freaking journey. But we had fun for the most part, but I am ready to go home. I miss my kids. Right, brush my hair, so I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I just finished with my hair. I'm about to go get some breakfast, and oh my goodness, like this, oh my gosh, getting home has been the absolutely worst, y'all. A lot of flights was canceled. I don't have my suitcase. All I have is my carry-on, and I don't have much in there, so I'm working off of little to nothing to work with. But I'm so happy that we were able to get a flight booked for the next day, because I know a lot of other people flight, they have to wait like 2 to 3 days to get home. So it's just been crazy. So I'm just trying to make the best of it. And yeah, so I'm gonna go get some breakfast. Okay, so we're eating breakfast at our hotel. I'm having an omelet, a blueberry muffin, turkey sausages, waffles, yogurt, and some apple juice. Yum, yum, yum. This looks so good. And of course, a little sauce. This is, I think, hot sauce. Boom. Okay. I'm just gonna show y'all my airport food. Pulled pork, fries, collard greens, cornbread. And I got this. How much y'all think this costs in the airport? Like, for real. Okay,